Hey techies, welcome to another video of Tech Tricks. Today I bring you part 2 of the Redbubble series. If you have not watched the first part, then I recommend you to go watch it. I will leave the video in the eye icon. Go and watch so you can understand what I will be telling you in this video. In this video, we will discuss how to upload your designs on Redbubble and how many designs you need to upload to make your first sale. So stick to this video till the end, and you will learn something new today. Before we start the video, I want to show you something. This is my YouTube analytics, and now, look at the number of views from non-subscribers. I have a simple request from you guys, that if you do find our videos helpful, then don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. That's all we expect from you in return. Now, let's get back to the video. This is where we left the last time. Click on Add New Work to start uploading designs for your Redbubble shop. Now drag your design and drop it on the Upload tab. Here you will add title and tags to your designs. They are very important, as they will help people find your products. You will choose which product you want to sell with your design on it. For example, masks, bags, mobile covers, t-shirts, or hoodies. You can also customize each product according to your wish. You can choose the color of the shirt or the placement of your design on them. Each product requires a proper look before you hit publish. Make your design looks fine on everything. In the end, you will get this download the template link, which will provide you the template for each product, so you can prepare the design according to them. For example, you get the template of graphic t-shirts, socks, masks, and much more. Just select one and click on download, and use them easily. Let's go back. Before posting, make sure you disable the product that you do not want to post. Now select 2 media categories for your designs. Down here you will select the default product for your design. If you are posting your design for multiple products but you want people to see it on a water bottle first, then you can select it. But I suggest you select the optimized option, so people will see your design on the product they search. Select anybody, if you want to publish it, or only you if you are not sure yet. In the next section, click on No, if your design has no such thing as given here, and if it does, then click on Yes. Agree with terms and click on Save Work. You can review your products here, make sure everything is how you want it. Click on Edit if you want to make changes, and click on View to see how it will look to your customer. If everything is alright, then your first step is done here. Now, the next part is how to make your first sale. In this step, first, you need to learn how to set up your commission rates. To do so, you need to go to the dashboard from the home screen. Click on the Product Pricing tab from the sidebar. This is where you will set your commission for each product. It will show 15% as default. You can also increase it, like 20%, and click on Apply All to set the same rate for all the products. To make your first sale fast, I suggest you set it at 10%. After you build up a customer base, you can change it to whatever you want. Moving on, the next thing is how many designs you need to upload to make your first sale. I believe that 1 design a day is a very good strategy. But if that is not possible, then you have to upload at least 4 to 5 designs a week to reach your first sale goal. With this, we will end our video here. If you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and hit the like button. See you until the next video.